10 jobs that will be replaced by AI in the next few years. AI is going to replace jobs. This is the statement that's getting lot of virality in the last few years because of AI inventions like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Google's Bard, etc. No one is sure about whether AI will replace all the jobs, but there are a few jobs which are definitely going to be replaced by AI, and in this video I am going to share 10 of them. If you are working in any one of these jobs, make sure you shift your job, make sure you learn advanced skills and shift your jobs. So look out for all these 10 jobs and make sure your job is not in the list. If your job is in the list, you know what to do, right? First in the list is customer support executives. You will no longer find people working on customer support roles from now because AI is doing almost all of those things. There were many incidents in the recent times that many startups have laid off their customer support team because of chatbots. It might be taking tickets, it might be voice support, whatever the support it might be. AI tools will automate this stuff. So customer support executives are going to be in danger. So if you're working as a customer support executive, you are in a danger now. And second in the list is manual testers. Manual testers are definitely in danger because nowadays, like, you don't need someone to test manually. It might be anything, it might be websites, it might be standalone products, whatever it might be. If you're working as a manual tester, make sure you shift to the advanced level. It might be automation testing, it might be more than that, because there were many AI tools which will automate the process of manual testing. So you don't need a manual tester from now. This is one of the job that's going to be replaced by AI for sure. But three in the list is research assistants. A research assistant in general will assist someone who is doing research on something. Even it might be a full-time job, it might be an internship kind of thing, whatever the role it might be. The main purpose of hiring a research assistant is to help them in research process. They will do the research on search engines, they will find out some key points which are needed for the research. But now with the help of tools like ChatGPT, you no longer need research assistants because they themselves act as research assistants. So if you're working as a research assistant or willing to be one, make sure you aim something beyond that because they are going to be replaced by AI for sure. And number 4 in the list is talent acquisition associates. I'm not saying entire talent acquisition industry will be replaced by AI, but the entry level roles in this field are definitely going to be replaced by AI because the role of most of the talent acquisition associates is like writing job descriptions, posting jobs, etc. But these days AI can do all of those things. If you can tell your requirements to AI, it will give you job descriptions, it will give you everything that you need to make the job posted, and even it is easy to shortlist candidates with the help of AI now. So this is one of the job that's going to be in danger. Number 5 in the list is proofreaders. Proofreaders play an important role in general. Whenever we write a content, we need to make sure that's accurate before making it live on websites or any other places. So that is the purpose of proofreaders. They will do the entire thorough checking. It might be spell checking, vocabulary checking, grammar checking, everything, and they are responsible for accurate presentation of content in the final form. But nowadays ChatGPT kind of tools will do that very easily, so you don't need a proofreader at all now. And number 6, sales assistants or telemarketers. In general, you will get some calls from customer care associates. Most of the companies still use telemarketers or sales assistants. I mean, they just have some data of all the contacts. They just need to dial numbers and ask whether they are interested in service or product. So this is main purpose of sales assistants or telemarketers. From now you don't need that because there were already many companies which were using AI assistants. If you're working as a sales assistant or telemarketer, this is the time to change your job. And number 7, legal associates or law advisory associates. Many of the firms across the world hire legal research or law research associates in general. I mean, this is a very interesting argument again. I'm not saying lawyers will be replaced, but there were some entry level roles, or at least the dependency on lawyers would be reduced a bit, because most of the things that at least in junior level legal associates do, I'm talking in a corporate way. Corporates hire legal associates or law associates because, I mean, they need help with legal things of everything, and people who studied law can advise them easily. So that is the purpose why they hire law associates or legal associates. But with the help of AI tools these days, if you can upload entire content about legal things and stuff about law, AI tools will give you advice on anything easily these days. So that is the reason why law associates or legal associates are in danger. And number 8, data entry clerks. Of course, data entry is almost dead, but still there were some places where data entry clerks were still working. So if you are a data entry clerk, it's time to change your job, because there is no one these days writing things manually. With the help of AI and automation, there is no need of data entry clerk or data entry person. So never ever work as a data entry guy these days, because you're losing your time and you're losing your job as well to AI in the future. Number 9 in the list is ghostwriters. Ghostwriters are in general act as a backend for most of the influencers and some popular content creators. They don't want to spend their time on social media writing stuff, so they will hire ghost writers who will exactly write from their behalf on their social media handles, which seem like they are writing it. Even many of the celebrities, sports persons, content creators in general hire ghost writers to represent them in social media. But nowadays you don't need ghost writers, because if you can train your writing style to AI chatbots, then ultimately they will do the task. And number 10 and last in the list is personal assistants. Still, there were many people and many brands who were hiring personal assistants for most of their daily day-to-day activities, or it might be for planning, it might be for scheduling. But these days there are many AI tools which will do these tasks. There are many AI tools out there which will plan your schedule, alert you, schedule meetings, and they will take care of everything.